Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Noble Touch, and today we are going to do a simple, easy Easter wreath. So what we're going to need is a 18-inch wreath frame, or a grapevine, and I get these from Walmart. Then I have 12 of these cute egg picks. So I actually got this off of a 22-inch egg wreath. And I just took them off, but I can't find exactly the same type of egg picks, but the Wreath shop has some really cute egg picks. So I will put a link under the description portion of the tutorial for this. As well as you're going to need zip ties. I have this adorable truck sign from Teal Box Crafts, and they make signs. And what is adorable is they have these little letters right here that you can order to spell out, you know, Happy Easter. And so I'm going to be using these in this wreath. And like I said, it's just going to be a cute, simple wreath to do, but it will look great when it's all said and done. Nippers here, just in case. I'm going to need them to maybe cut the picks down a little bit here on the letters. And then I also have some of my brown wire I use. Now this sign here, I ended up attaching 2 eye screws. I like the eye screws just because I know they're in there good. When people tend to use a lot of glue, I feel like, in the hotter states or hotter, areas, that they tend to fall off sometimes. So I like the eye screws. They're in there nice. So I attached 2 just so I can attach to the frame when it's all said and done. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here for right now. Remove my letters. And I just wanted to say, on the site for the signs and everything, you can buy them unfinished, and that way you can paint them whatever you'd like to. They also have SVG files available for you. So if you, just want to cut it out yourself, you can do that as well. So what I'm going to do, I have 12 of these picks here. Like I said, this is going to be an easy wreath to do, and just simple and cute, and it's something you can do quickly if you want to just dress up your door. So I just have the zip ties, and let me just zoom in here for a second. I'm just going to zip tie around the base, so I will push in where I can underneath the wire here. Actually, I might start here and bring it around. I'm just going to zip tie here and there just to attach it to the grapevine. Sometimes that's easier said than done. Need some help there. Tweezers or scissors will work. You want to make sure all the sprigs are kind of out and cute, filling up the grapevine. Oh. There we go. Finally got it. Then of course I'll go ahead and grab the next one here. And we're just going to go ahead and keep going around the wreath with attaching. Okay, so we have the first layer done, which is the top there. Now what we're going to do is just we're going to bring this to the inside. And see where we might have some gaps here. That's where we're going to put the most of this, and we're just going to put it towards the inside of this. Because I want the outer open for the letters, so I'm going to go to the inside. So I believe we had 7 on the outside total, and so we'll have 5 for the inside. So we're just going to go ahead and start attaching. Okay, so that's all attached. Super cute, love it. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the sign first. So I think I'm just going to put it in here like this. So in order to do that, I have my wire. This is just the brown wire. I'm going to cut about that long. It's about 26 inches. I probably don't need near that much, but that's what I'm going to do. So then just, of course, put your wire through the eye screws in the back. Just kind of twist it a couple times around. And we'll get another piece. If you see, I use this wire a lot in the grapevine videos I do. Just because it matches so good with the grapevine. Okay, now I left these big because I'm going to pull this back into frame. Just go ahead and wrap it right around the frame and you won't even see it. You just got to get this here. Just got to get my eggs out of the way. I just want to get this so it sits right. see how this is sitting before I attach too tight. I don't want it to go back. I'll of course tighten it up a little bit better when I straighten this sign out some. That can be probably pulled down a little tighter. So I will do the work on that a little bit more, but I wanted to get my letters in. Okay, I'm just trying to get some of this floral out. Actually, I think I got it right in the... Okay, so we have the sign, and of course I'll wrap that better on the back. But how cute is that looking? Now, for the letters. I would think, let's see here, I'm just going to eye this. And this, of course, is going to be, I think, a little too long. Let's see if I can push through this. And if not, I might just come up a little closer. So what I think I'm going to do is take my nippers and cut a portion of this off. Because I don't need that full pick. And I think, yeah, that's, I think about right there. It's cute. It almost looks like a little picket fence when it's all said and done. Right now I'm just going to line them up first before I glue them. The happy right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the Easter over here. But I'm going to go ahead and glue these in, and then we'll be back when we're all said and done. So here it is, all done. Let me turn this around here so you can see the letters, the Happy Easter on the top. How cute is that? Absolutely love it. So I want to thank Jen from, again, T.O. Box Crafts for sending me this adorable sign and these cute letters. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it was fairly easy. Just zip tying and then gluing the letters in and attaching the sign. So again, if you like my content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more coming out. And also, if you like the jewelry I'm wearing, I do sell paparazzi jewelry on the site. So I will post a link under the description area for everything, for the jewelry and for the signs and the letters, of course. And thanks for joining me. You have a great day.